Good morning, YouTube friends. We will not stay long to this film, and today is our 17th day of this Himalayan Mulberry update, and I'd like to bring you right there in the place where we can see a ripe fruit that merge with the other fruits here. And look at that. Look at that, YouTube friends. We've got this healthy, ripe Himalayan mulberry fruit. This one is about to turn to red here. I think tomorrow or other day we'll be seeing more of this. And that's a natural way of turning that fruit into red. And most of the fruits here are all mature, and they're going to turn like a little bit white from green color, and then after turning a little bit white or faded green, then that fruit will turn into this color, and this is ready for harvest. Okay, so we'll take this one, and it's easy to harvest. It tastes sweet, and because it's not really that ripe, there's still that smell like cucumber, but the sweetness is not really that super sweet, just a mild one, but and fleshy, and that combination of taste. And here we'll have, there's another one. Wow, I think I showed you this one yesterday as well. See that one? It's turning. I think this afternoon we will take out that one. And there's another one there. See that? I think the bird or the squirrel maybe tasted the bottom end of that Himalayan mulberry fruit. So we have a bunch of fruits to harvest with this plant alone. As I mentioned to you again and again, we have to start reproducing these branches through early yearing or marketing, and perhaps these large pots here will not be like left behind and used if we will have some branches that are ready to be planted on, I think, 2 months time. So like in 2 weeks time we're going to harvest all the fruits for sure. I think every single day, morning and afternoon, we will do the harvest, and I'll give you the update to that as well every time we do the harvest here. And after that I'll do the early yearing or marketing, and it will take another month for the roots to develop right into the surface, where we will do the early yearing, and then we will cut it from the main branch, from the main plant, and then we'll transfer it here. But we will not do a lot of air marketing. We have to select only a few branches so that this mother plant can still provide us a lot, and more branches with fruits in the next season. I think in the next 4 to 5 months from now. And sure enough, next year we will have like another 4 or 2 additional plants of Himalayan mulberry here. So we have some pigweed plants here. This is really good for chickens, and I think I'll have to start cleaning in this area, transplanting this pigweed plant, in which most people misunderstood as spinach. Spinach is a different one. This one is pigweed plant, or colitis in my dialect. And then I transplant this to another pot so that I can reproduce more, because the seeds that I have are not growing anymore, and at the same time will maintain that these onion chives will not have any competition with grass. Here we'll do the replanting. We'll take out all the onion chives and put new soil with chicken's manure, and then replanting again some onion chives there. And here we'll move this platform out, transfer this one into an elevated area, and still this pot size will be placed on top, and we'll just transfer this one to an elevated area so that the chickens will not be able to step on it and damage the onion chives that we're planting. So these are some other stuffs that I'm included today, this morning, YouTube friends. So we have already some onion chives here that we planted, but it's already crowded with grass. I think we will remove that one as well. And if we see some pigweed plants there, we'll remove that one to another pot so that we can reproduce more. And then this is where that platform I mentioned to you lately to be transferred. We'll put that one here on top, and then the pots will be right there on top of the platform. Here before we have some lush garden of strawberries here, but when our family dog died, I was not able to. I was still coping with depression and everything, so I abandoned this whole area, this whole garden area. And only this time that I started to work again, bit by bit, during my free time, since I'm back to school as a teacher. And I showed you our 44 pots of this onion chives that we planted. This one is like 2 weeks old, and there's another 14 pots added. I just planted them yesterday, so I put already 30 pots here, and then yesterday I added 14, so all in all it's around 44 pots. So YouTube friends, I'll just insert this in our Himalayan mulberry update. We have a few surviving strawberry plants. I'm thinking that I can reproduce this one again. Hopefully this will survive, since I still don't have time to fix it. Hopefully this coming weekend, Saturday and Sunday. So these are the things that we have done so far in our front yard. And last night I did this for the entrance and the last corner to be closed for this enclosure for a vegetable garden, so that no chickens out of those 5 hens can enter into the inside and rampage all the plants. Though the PVC trellis support are still empty, but I think hopefully next week we'll start placing pots here with soil, and I'll start seeding as well, and hopefully by beginning of December we can be able to start planting at least a few vegetables here, and this will be we'll have a better look inside. We'll clean this out, we'll remove the soil, we'll remix that one again with chicken's manure, and we'll clean the area, and we'll arrange the pots that are designated to its designated spots. So that would be. And so let's go back here in our Himalayan mulberry update. Thank you for watching, and hopefully that you will share this video to your friends and family and in your social media accounts, and help this channel grow a community of organic gardeners, organic people enthusiasts, or I don't know how do you call yourselves. Thank you for watching. See you in the next vlog. Bye.